Hi, what's up, buddy? Welcome to Rich Luck Insider. We're gonna talk about three stocks that jumped a lot today. If this is your first time to Rich Luck Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and also crypto trading and how to make more money in life. So if you want to make more money, you can subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any of our video. Get free stocks and audibles in the description comment at the end of the video. Today we're going to talk about three stocks that jump a lot today, and these stocks have the potential to go up more in the next few days. It's going to be really quick because it's not going to be, the stocks cannot keep going up all the time. So we have to grab the opportunities when it comes. That's called stock trading. So we're going to talk about what's going on in the stock market and what's going on in the cryptocurrency market. So in June 8, stock market was really quiet except for Russell. Russell jumped 1.06%. It's because of AMC and all the main stocks. They are part of the Russell 2000. So S&P 500 and Nasdaq, they wanted to go down at the beginning, but then they closed positive for the day. So silver 3%. Crude oil, as I said before, crude oil is now going up 70.22 dollars right now. So I believe it's gonna go up until probably $100. I'm not gonna be so worried as long as it's not over $100. And like I said before, the oil stocks gonna be really good especially this year. Gold and silver, they haven't moved much yet, so 1,800 right now. So probably silver is 27.28, doesn't move so much yet. USD appreciate against euros and British pound, also against Japanese yen. Japanese yen and 10-year bond is stabilized around 1.5, 1.6. It used to be 1.7. It jumped quite a lot. So that's why the stock market crashed. In February in correction. I would say pullback and corrections around February and March. Now the technology stock went back up again. It's kind of rotation going on. Technology stock got beaten down a lot because of inflation fears, interest rate rising, and right now people are not so worried about interest rate rising because the economy, the job, and unemployment claims they did not come out as good as we expected. Investors expected. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency went down. So that's one of the reasons. The inflation fears subsided a little bit. Bitcoin was down, and other crypto was less than 1,000 right now. So it used to be more than 1,000. Then the stock exchange was up. Japanese stock exchange was down, and Ethereum price is right now 2,486. It used to be 2,114 in May 23rd. So if this is really important, if we break that line, so there is a chance that this Ethereum could go down furthermore. And Ethereum class is less than $60 right now, 56.47. Dogecoin 32 cents. It's really important. 30 cents. If it breaks 30 cents, it could go down more. Dogecoin. And the good news is you can be rich in Doge. 1.2 million Doge giveaway. All you have to do is just use the link in the description comment below. Open an account at Coinbase. Then you just buy and sell $100 in Doge on Coinbase by June 10th. That's it. If you just need to buy or you just need to sell. Either way you are fine. So you get one entry per person. So one winner gonna receive 200,000 in Doge, and 10 winners gonna receive 30,000 in Doge, and 66,000 winners gonna receive $100 in Doge. So just click the link below in the description comment below. Just buy and sell $100 in Doge. June 8th, Amazon jumped 2.06%. So overall, the stock market were even. Some are red, some are green. Energy prices went up, and credit services, financial services, Visa, Mastercard, paper, they are green. Johnson Johnson, they are red. Lilly, they are red as well. So today the most active stocks were these: Cloverhead, AMC, which Sendai, BBB. So all these stocks are over 1 billion now. It used to be less than 1 billion stock that dominated the top chart. Right now we are seeing the billions dollar stock. Of course, because they jump a lot too. So because of short squeeze, so these are Clover Hair, AMC, short squeeze are happening. A lot of traders are talking about these 5 stocks, are trading them. So stock number 3, Clover Hair. This could go up more in the next few days. This is gonna be the second day that jump. So 85.82% today. Look at that. Look at that. So 9 billion company. So over the past year, this company was very new. They went public last year in 2020, and so they jumped like 2 times, twice, over 100%. So if you miss just one day, you are missing 85.82%. So that's why I really like to hold stocks, because a stock can jump a lot, just within one day. That's very normal. So basically, yeah, this stock has been all-time high. The last time it was high, it's just half of that. So this stock could go up a little bit more, probably in the next few days, because short squeeze, they have a short percentage of 36%. So Wendy's is basically also it's a Burger King change. It's not Burger King, it's a hamburger change. They jumped 25.85% as well. They pay dividend yields of 1.39%. So 52-week high is $29, which is today. And if you look at year to date, it's 35% jump. So all-time high. This is like 17 years high. So ever since that Wendy became a public, today price 29.46 is all-time high. So the last time it was really this high was around 2007. It was only $21. So I like this. This is a great company, great business. So another one is BBBY. It's one of my favorite stock. BBBY 36.83%. Jump about 8.39% today. So this could go up more further, because it used to be 52.90. Around in January. This is potential to jump in the next few days. But long term, I want to see a few quarters. So let's see how the CEO can turn around the company. But for the short term this year, yeah, this could be really great trading stock, on possible investment stock as well. So don't forget to get free stock crypto in the description. You can get free audiobooks as well. If you want to join Stock Mama Shikla, the link is gonna be down below in the description comment. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.